Namaste, Param Shanti. Why it is important to have self-knowledge, why it is important to penetrate into this knowledge. Today we will be questioning the basic facts of our existence, questioning the basic facts of human being. Beyond the body, beyond the mind, is there an existence which I am, which I can penetrate into? It is a profound penetration into our own reality. It is just not the construction of thoughts, it is a penetration. There is a way to go into it. It is not a theory, but do it by yourself technique, and we will be trying to cover on this. It is going to be a profound topic, so I demand profound attention on this. Kindly be with me till the end of this video. The foremost question we get on our minds with respect to the time we live in currently is it time for us to become enlightened, or we have yet to take infinite many rebirths? We should think about this and contemplate deeply to find out the truth of our existence as well as the warning which time has for us. Are we realizing the importance of time? Are we realizing our true self? If yes, awaken the knowledge of soul and in Creator within you. If no, search for the true nature of your existence. Why are humans stuck in the endless cycle of life and death on earth since eternity? Why have we yet not realized the knowledge of self despite having taken countless births, having countless parents and relations? Why have our soul yet not awakened? What is the reason behind the ever-changing nature of time on this earth? Countless Chatur Yugas comprising of Satyug, Treta, Dwapar and Kalyug have already passed. And with the passage of such ages, countless semi-dissolution events and major annihilation events, galactic dissolutions have taken place. What is the reason behind this cyclic nature of time on earth? What is the true identity of our soul? Who are we? Where have we come from? What was our purpose for coming here? And where will we go after leaving this earth? Who is the creator of our soul? We all should seek the answers to this question. This is the time of awakening of our soul. Whenever difficult time arrives, certain questions must arise within our soul. Questions about our true identity, about the truth of our origin, and about the ultimate peace which our soul desire. Where is the peace we all are searching for? The happiness we get in our life is superficial, we all know. In reality, we cannot get rid of sorrows and sufferings. We cannot free ourselves from envy, greed, lust, wrath, attachment, and pride. What is the exact reason behind this? If the fulfillment of even the smallest desire can make us happy, then we cannot even begin to imagine the bliss and happiness the soul experiences when it connects with God, our ultimate source and the Creator. In a sense, this is not the time to be wasted. We should utilize it to gain the supreme knowledge of infinite creation. The 33 crore deities have become humans. They are present on our earth along with the life forms like Yaksh, Gandharvas, Kinnars and Rakshas. Identify yourself and your purpose. Are you here to get stuck permanently in this endless cycle of life and death within the 84 lakh bodies? How long have you been stuck in this cycle? When will we realize the knowledge of soul? When will we realize God? Search for the answers to these questions as soon as possible. If we fail to utilize this on life for this purpose, then remember that Earth doesn't have time to support the cycle of life and death forever. Time is changing at a very rapid pace, and the speed of transformation is ever increasing. If you seek the spiritual awakening, then it is certain that the soul will awaken in a minimal effort and time. But if you think that all such talks are useless and keep doubting and damaging your own intellect and wisdom, then this precious time will never come back. Once time is gone, all will be lost. So this is a time for us to realize our soul and bring a great transformation within ourselves. Nature has been expressing this clearly and calling for us to understand the secrets of time and the infinite creation. Try to figure out what the time is trying to express on a micro level. When the Yaksh asked Yudhishthira about that one secret which man failed to recognize even when seeing it directly, Yudhishthira answered, the death. Everyone is well aware of the fact that death is inevitable, yet nobody knows when and where it will happen. We have had near infinite birth and death, and yet our soul have not awakened. Despite being much mighty warriors, the four Pandavas brothers lacked the knowledge of self and hence failed to realize the Yaksha, ultimately falling for his trap. We must realize that we all are not an ordinary human being. As per knowledge given by Bapuji, we are infinitely powerful, greatest of the great divine Behad soul. This is the time of our awakening and to accomplish the purpose of our arrival. This is the time we realize our soul. There are infinitely many solar systems, countless earths, countless lokas, and the life is flourishing there. From the physical world to the subtle Brahmas aboard, life is present. There are trillion of times more souls in all these places than of those present in physical world, and all of them are making efforts for the spiritual upliftment. Every one of them want to transcend to the upper dimension and realize their divine form. Just like humans gain academic degrees, earn money and search for a bit of happiness, in a similar manner, the soul in a subtle world, causal world and the super causal world are making continuous efforts for their spiritual gains. So what should we do in this regard? How can we awaken and realize our soul and leap forward on the path of knowledge? So everyone is welcome to our Behad knowledge which Bapuji has given to us. Subscribe to this channel. More than 2.5 lakh people have already joined us. Do daily live meditation with us from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Try to awaken your soul. Understand why meditation is important. Meditation is not mere concentration. It is not contemplation. Meditation is the highest thing. Meditation is actual spiritual life because it will unfold the spiritual, the highest divinity within you. It will help you to know the process of knowing yourself. Be a Dhyan Siddha, a man of meditation. Meditation is transcending the mind and knowing the true self to unlock the secrets of universe. When you sit in meditation, you don't have the new mind. It will be the same old mind with the same recordings. To gain the ability to control the mind will decide your meditative state. To control your mind, many techniques are given in the Ashtanga Yoga. These sessions are going on since the last year's lockdown and we have aired more than 400 episodes. So, all those souls who think that they are the divine souls and are sure that they do not belong to 84 lakh yonis, all of those are welcomed here. Those who believe in God and the scriptures of Sanatan Dharam, Vedas, Upanishads, and are in search of true, ultimate truth are welcomed here. Please join us and subscribe to the channel. Perform daily life meditation with us and watch our playlist titled The Unspoken Truth. Our channel has more than 20 playlists for meditation, for unspoken truth, for beginners, interviews with Bapujis. All these playlists are very important and have more than 2000 videos. Don't waste your time. Subscribe our channel, like and share this video and spread it to the world. Time is precious. Make sure you spread it with the right people. We also have a separate playlist in English. Kindly check. Also click the I button to watch more related videos. Also we have another channel under the name of Jeel Patel which consists of more than 30 videos. Kindly check out her channel. It has the valuable knowledge that Bapuji has given to us in a very brief manner. Thank you so much. Param Shanti.
Join us daily for live meditation, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. on YouTube Live. Subscribe now. Website www.paramshanti.org. Email us anand@paramshanti.org. Like, share, subscribe. Join today.
बेहद की परम